Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix camera automatically shuts off Windows 10 or 11. Webcam keeps turning off in Windows 10 or 11. So I'm currently using Windows 10, but these should also work for Windows 11. First, what we're going to do is to do a right click on the Start or Windows icon and click on Device Manager. You can also search for Device Manager and you can click on it and this should open as well. Once you're here, we can focus and select on the cameras and click on the little arrow beside it to open the camera device that you have. Now select the camera device that you have, right click on it, and what we're going to do is to uninstall our device. Don't worry because we will be able to reinstall it later on. Click on uninstall and click on uninstall once again. Once you have done that, we click on this action option at the tabs at the top and click on scan for hardware changes, and our camera device should come back now, as you can see. After that, what we're going to do is to select Universal Serial Bus Controllers, which is usually at the bottom of this list. So click on the little arrow again and these devices should show up. Now select the USB boot hub and right click on it and click on Properties. From here, we go to the Power Management tab and make sure that we have unchecked Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So click on the checkbox to uncheck it and click on OK. Now we have to do the same steps for the other devices right here. So right click on the other ones, Properties, Power Management, and uncheck the checkbox. Click on OK. This one as well. Uncheck it. For this one, it doesn't have power management. We're going to skip it. And we're done with unchecking those options. After the device manager, the second step is to search for camera right here. Once you have typed that in, among these options will be at the right part of the search menu. Click on app settings. First, you have to focus on the app permissions and make sure that your camera is turned on right here. Can scroll through and you can also try resetting it, but take note that the app's data will be deleted, so take note of that if you want to try to reset your camera app. After you have done those, you can restart your computer, and the next step would also be to search for Windows Update, check for updates so that we are making sure that our Windows version is up to date. As you can see, mine says you're up to date, so that means that my Windows is updated. You can also click on check for updates and install the necessary updates so that it can help with fixing your webcam issue. And that is how you can basically fix camera automatically shuts off in Windows 10 and 11. Webcam keeps turning off in Windows 10 and 11. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.